What up? What up? What up? Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. Man, I am looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. SPY continues to hit new all-time highs. What does the market have in store for us? Nobody knows, but as far as I'm concerned, we're going to enjoy this while it lasts. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates as soon as they drop. Let's get into this like we always do with the update to the new money Roth IRA. This is our public portfolio, and we keep this 100% transparent, and everything is going absolutely amazing. And we plan on keeping this going. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest in stocks the right way, make sure you send them over to the channel. We have an entire series, the 100 to $1 million stock portfolio that we are building, and we just want to help out as many people as we can. So definitely have them check that out and start from the beginning. Let's get into the U.S. economics calendar for the week. We got some good things happening this week that the market is going to be paying attention to, right? So let's get into those. So we're going to be paying attention to wholesale inventories Monday, U.S. productivity Tuesday, the main things: CPI year over year and core CPI, monthly U.S. federal budget Thursday, initial jobless claims, core PPI year over year Friday, import price index minus fuel. As far as the almanac goes this week, small cap strength starts in mid-December. Last week, I actually pointed out a few small cap stocks. Matter of fact, for the last few weeks, we pointed out tons and tons of small cap stocks, and they have been absolutely just going crazy. We talked about Open Door, and there's just a lot of other small cap stocks that are at really depressed price levels that we can take advantage of. And just overall in December, we're just looking for more bullishness. As far as the setups I'm going to be looking at this week, some of these small caps and just things like Instacart, right? Instacart. So we all know Instacart. If you don't, they're a grocery delivery business, right? So yeah, Comcast, we're going to get into Comcast. Corporate wicket open strong with 163 million at the global box office. So this is Comcast, and we're going to get into Comcast. And we're also going to get into Match Group. And Match Group, they own all the dating sites, right? So yeah, let's see. Let me see. I actually want to see. So I don't know. Maybe you guys are familiar with some of these logos and these different dating sites. I don't know. Not really my thing, but hey, I don't know. Maybe dating sites are the future. I have no idea. I like to touch grass. I'm not really I don't know, but it works for some people, I guess. So, hey, whatever works. Investor relations. Let's check it out real quick. So yeah, ticker symbol MTCH. We're gonna check that out, and we're gonna show we are. They have a crazy setup, right? So yeah, they have a bunch of these different dating websites. And if you, I'm not gonna get all into it, but if you want to check out the website, definitely, you'll see. All right, MTCH. You see, we have it entries 2-day above 3303. This has been just kind of consolidating right here, right? So if we look at this quarterly chart, it's at these really low levels. It's been kind of going sideways. Pushed up off of a quarterly or monthly broad information here, and the price action has continued to finish over about this $30, right? So yeah, we're just looking for this to get over 3303 and see if this can push up. And if we start to get the push up, and I always like to give these price levels like I don't want to just leave you guys hanging, because like, where's it supposed to go, right? We're looking about $47, $48 right now. So looking pretty good over there. We'll see what happens in match. Let me just kind of zoom out so you guys can kind of see where we are here too. Right. So if this wants to push up, that's going to be a great opportunity. As far as the websites on TOS, you can always go to the analyze fundamentals, check those out. And as far as options, chain, I don't know, January looks pretty interesting. I don't know, 34,000. We'll see. We'll see. Just go across the chain. There's 3.8 last trading session traded. I don't know if this market maker moves about $3, but there's no events or anything going on right now, as far as I know, corporate data. So let's see if it's just, hit that low level, higher low, and starts to go. The other one we talked about, Instacart, got a crazy setup. This has been in a nice uptrend. We remember this IPO, right? So it was interesting when we hit these levels here, these high levels, when it kind of broke out. It kind of reminds me of Palantir. It's crazy to say that, right? Don't get too crazy now, right? But when Palantir broke over that high, it was like $45 and whatnot, right? So this broke over previous high, right? This was the IPO for those who don't remember. And we pushed over that high. We hit this broad information, which is a weekly broad information. And because the stock is so new, we don't actually have a lot of macros, right? So I had to use weekly broad information. It hit it, and it pulled back. So off the 3-2, we definitely can expect corrective activity, which we got, and we experienced that on the lower time frames, that corrective activity. And this is where we're pushed back above that. We're still right above that quarterly or that monthly broad information, and we kind of pushing back up. We have a quarterly here. So we're looking for a 2-2 day setup here above 44.26. So trigger is not that far away there. And if we get over that quarterly, then we're looking to take this over $50, maybe 51. We'll just see where the price goes, how long it takes with expansion. So yeah, over $50, other side of that range to take out that previous high. So we're just in this range right now. Looks like it was some corrective activity, and we're going to push back up there. Chain decent right now. So yeah, just go through the chain. It was 3.6 traded. The website, Instacart, Maple Bear Incorporated, consumer staple is how they categorize it. So San Francisco, California. And the last one, Comcast. We're actually looking, what is a weekly trigger on this one? I believe it is. Let's see. Don't know why. Okay, yeah. It's a weekly trigger on this one above $43.45. We're above this quarterly broad information. It's been in a crazy uptrend now. So, these stocks like these got beat down. Communication services has been super strong. So it pushed down yearly, quarterly, made a higher low. So we just wanted to get this continuation on this one. Currently it's double inside month right now. And we got this week entry right here. Now, I always say if you can get a discount, right? So the entry is above 43.45, but if during the week you maybe get some kind of pullback, slight corrective activity, then definitely you always want to take advantage of discounts if you get those opportunities. So maybe if you got a discount, maybe 43, 42.99, something like that. Or maybe it starts the week and kind of flash down. You never know. You can take advantage of that. So yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe we get I don't know what's going to happen, but this is looking definitely solid. Let's go to the chain, and you can kind of see what it's looking like. 15.6 million traded in the last session. So there's maybe some opportunities here for sure. But these are just some of the things among many that I am going to be looking at this week. Targets $56, $60. So there's a ton of room if you give these things time. Tons and tons of room if you give them time. The high was 61.80. Obviously, we're gonna look to take that out eventually around that. I don't know. It's looking about $70 right now. It just depends on how much time you give it, right? So yeah, don't want to make this too complicated. So I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week, and I hope you are as well. Make sure to do your due diligence, mark up your charts, analyze your contracts, and see if you can find some things that work for you. If you get some wins, make sure to put those down in the comments below. If you have any questions or anything for me or anything that I can help you with, please make sure to let me know. With that being said, I'm looking forward to having another wonderful week. This is your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly Money Watch. You guys be good. I'm out. Peace.